All right, man, I ain't even gonna front. I straight up look like Don King right now. I done picked out my hair for the day. You know, let it breathe just a little bit. Let it breathe. My nose running. Man, y'all know I've been hyped off this shoe from the rip. It was one of those shoes that low-key I almost paid some serious cash for just to have the early review of it. This is probably one of the most interesting shoes of the year, I want to say, just because of how the prices fluctuated. You don't already know what I'm talking about by now. I have no idea where my knife is, so let's just tear this thing open. Basically, we got word of this shoe. It was a quick strike, and then it just all over the place, man. Now, if Houston would have won, I guarantee they would have dropped these that very night. Yes, it is the Travis Scott Air Jordan 4. Man, bro, this was a shoe that I was like mad. I know Bull was mad too. Like, me and him were talking at SneakerCon Chicago, and Bull is completely right. He's put on hella people on Travis Scott. Like, I remember way back when, there's always Travis, and he didn't even get him. And I was like, what? Like, you're Bullet RC, man. How did you not get him? You know what I'm saying? So I thought that was really crazy. But I did end up scooping a pair because they dropped so low. I got them on StockX. And you know, like at SneakerCon Chicago, which was initially the same day or the next day, they had them everywhere. Like, there were so many of these. And people were selling them for like almost $600. And I'm like, bro, come on. I'm not paying no $600. I almost paid $2,500 though, I'm not gonna lie, because I wanted to be the first person to have a review out. But, you know, early reviews ain't even worth it like they used to be. So I'm glad I didn't take that major L. Now that would have been stupid, bro. Can you imagine? Like, I would have retired from YouTube if I would have paid $2,500. That's what they were going for on StockX. A lot of you guys were like tweeting me because I made that early video just talking about them, you know? And hell nah, bro, that's crazy, especially with the problems that people have been getting. Like, a lot of people have been getting pairs that have like glue stains, and that's just overall, that's Nike quality. It has nothing to do with anyone else. It was just a very rushed shoe. Like, you can tell, like, the quality was subpar. If it was subpar, is that how you pronounce it? But, you know, StockX, shout out to StockX for always coming through. But yeah, man, prices dropped to damn near almost $300 for these at the time, and I scooped them right away, bro. What? I'm not taking an L. These are stupid clean, and even if they weren't Travis's, this color, like, one of my favorite Jordans that I had that was super underrated was actually my powder blue Jordan 3s, and this reminds me of it. It's a shoe that just really pops, and I don't plan on wearing these anytime soon. They're just gonna sit and collect dust for a while. They'll probably be in the box, but they're gonna sit back until people destroy their pairs, and then I'm gonna pull them out in maybe a year or two. That's just what I'm definitely gonna do. Maybe I'll pull them out, I don't know. But these are just wet, bro. Like, wet like water, dog. Like, tell me this. I told you guys from the rip, like, I was a huge fan of these. I could care less. I'm a fan of Travis Scott, but even if these weren't Travis Scott's, I would still be about them because this colorway is crazy. Like, I personally love Jordan 4s. My favorite shoe of all time. Like, if there's one shoe I could have, it would probably be the white cement 4s. So I'm a huge fan of 4s. I can't wait till they retro all the 4s again. Wow, man, what a solid pickup. Like, this to me is one of the best Jordans of the year so far. But yeah, man, what? Got him! Like, I'm geeked, man. This is such a clean shoe. This is a great pair though. I mean, I don't have any glue stains or any weird defects. I know a lot of people that got their pairs from like the sneakers app and stuff had problems, but this pair is straight sauce. Yeah, it would have been dope if they like had like some sweet box with it, but you know, you can't go wrong with the Jordan 4 box. But yeah, man, that is my most recent pickup. I do have a few other shoes. I think I'm gonna do, should I do a review of these? I kind of want to do a review just for myself. These are so clean, man. Like, what? Jordan brand props. A lot of people complain about like the quality. I'm completely satisfied. They could have done like some dope releases. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, these fresh. That powder blue color, That's dumb fire, dog. But yeah, man, that is my newest pickup. Let me know down below in the comments what's your newest pickup. What's the most recent shoe you've gotten? Shout out to my people on the Double Deluxe squad. You know, gotta get that double deluxe. You ain't a real fan if you don't know what I'm talking about. Post notification squad, stand up for the one time. Huge shout out to Talks with TJ. She is a girl sneakerhead. She has some pretty good talks, so if you are a female and you'd like to go check her out, or any of you guys, I know she actually posts videos, so you can go check her out. And also huge shout out to my dude, Jared Harris. I appreciate you. If you possibly want to be in the next video, it's super simple. You know, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and comment done and something lit. You know, I just pick my people randomly. I also want to let you guys know on Wednesday, this upcoming Wednesday, I'm doing my second St. Michael drop for my brand. These are the summer tees. Trust me, super fire. As you can see, quality is A1. You know what's great about these shirts is that you can wash them and dry them and they end up looking more dope. I don't know how that's even possible, but this peach one, bro, I've washed mine and dried it plenty of times and it like fades and it looks so dope. Yeah, I'm dropping the Lagoon tee and the peach tee. I will also be dropping the black shorts, got the beige colorway with the zipper pockets, and I have the olive colorway. So if you want to follow my IG, it's St. Michael CO, and the website is stmichael.co. So yeah, man, I'm super like excited for that. I've designed all this and I feel like it's gonna be pretty successful. So that's it for today's video. If you could, go ahead and follow your boy anywhere at Mike the Compass, but I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now, hands in the air. Count it up, 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 count it up.